In this very short video tutorial, I will show you how to fix this problem if you are unable to connect to the EA servers in Battlefield 6. So I know that a lot of people have got this problem, and the solution is super simple, guys. Most likely you have connected USB stick in your device, in your computer or laptop. So you have got connected your flash drive or something like this. You need to unplug it, restart your game, and try to connect again, guys. So I know that this is very weird, but in most cases this is very helpful and it's solving the problem, guys. As you can see right here on this Reddit thread, person has got the same problem. Here's an answer: if you have a USB stick plugged in, take it out and try it again. And as you can see, a lot of people are thanking to this person because this is really working, guys. So just unplug your USB stick and try it again. Or if it's still not working, there might be another reason, but this is in very rare cases. So you can check the Battlefield 6 server status. Just go to the Google and write this simple keyword in the Google search and open the first result. And here will be the EA Games server status. So as you can see, Battlefield 6 is online at the moment. So if it's online, that means the problem is on your device and it's not a global problem. But in most cases, this solution will help you to solve this problem. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like buttons because likes are super important for me. See you in the next video update.